Listen up and speak out, mastering TOEFL and IELTS listening and speaking skills. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we'll dive deep into an integral part of your English learning journey, specifically geared towards your TOEFL and IELTS preparations. Our focus will be on improving listening and speaking skills. We've got some practical activities for you that will help you hone these skills and achieve the scores you're aiming for. Let's get started. Listening and speaking skills are not just essential for your language tests. They are critical for real-life communication in English. While learning grammar and vocabulary is important, being able to understand spoken English and respond fluently is what makes you a competent English speaker. Listening carefully and speaking clearly are your keys to success, not just in TOEFL and IELTS, but in any English-speaking environment. Before we dive into the practice activities, it's essential to understand the format of the listening and speaking sections in both TOEFL and IELTS. In both tests, you'll encounter a variety of accents and contexts, with topics ranging from academia to daily life. Remember, the goal is to test your ability to understand and respond to English in a variety of situations. Now, let's dive into some practical activities to enhance your listening skills. 1. Active listening. Practice active listening by watching English videos or listening to podcasts. Take notes, summarize what you've heard, and try to understand the speaker's perspective. 2. Dictation practice. Listen to a short audio clip and write down what you hear. It's an excellent way to understand different accents and improve your listening accuracy. 3. Listening and answering questions. This is very similar to what you'll do in the test. Listen to a lecture or a conversation, then answer questions about it. After listening, let's move on to speaking. Here are some activities that can help you enhance your speaking skills. 1. Shadowing. This involves listening to a piece of English audio and then repeating what you hear. Try to mimic the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the speaker. 2. Role play. Practice different scenarios where you can use English. It could be ordering food, attending a job interview, or giving a presentation. 3. Recording and self-review. Record yourself speaking English, then listen and critique. You'll be able to notice areas where you need improvement. Alright, that's it for today. Remember, consistent practice is the key to improving your listening and speaking skills. Try to incorporate these activities into your daily routine, and you'll see progress over time. We hope this video helps you on your path to acing the TOEFL and IELTS. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.